When you first create a new YouTube channel, it can be easy to overlook the channel trailer, but in fact, the YouTube channel trailer could be one of the most influential methods of attracting new viewers to further check your channel and other videos. Channel trailers are autoplay videos that appear only to people who have not subscribed to your channel. In this video, I'm about to show you how to set up a YouTube channel trailer video, and we are starting right now. Hi, I'm Winston the Solopreneur Warrior, and in this video I'm going to share with you some quick tips on how to create a great channel trailer and how to set it up on your channel. But before we get into all that, I would like to know in the comments area below this video if you're interested on looking for more subscribers to your channel or more views to your videos. Let me know in the comments area below this video. Now, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in YouTube affiliate marketing, you might want to consider getting this YouTube affiliate marketing crash course on tubemechanicsnode.com. I'll link you to this page in the description box below this video. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Now, it's important to note that no channel is too big or too small to have a YouTube channel trailer. A channel trailer is a sneak peek into what you are sharing on YouTube as a whole. It reveals why your channel exists, your personality, and the drive behind your passion. And ultimately, it makes your ideal audience or potential future customers subscribe to your channel. Channel trailers are most often the most viewed videos on a channel, so it's a unique opportunity to leave a strong first impression to new viewers. The truth is, a small channel with a great channel trailer will look more appealing or more attractive to viewers than a larger channel with a poor channel trailer and an unclear message. Now, it's important to note that for your channel trailer to be effective, it needs to catch your visitors' attention immediately, otherwise they will click away to the next competing channel. Let's now quickly look at what it takes to make a channel trailer very effective. First is keeping the channel trailer short. There is actually no perfect length for video content in a channel trailer. The YouTube Academy recommends that you keep your channel trailers short. I would say 30 seconds to a minute long video for maximum viewer engagement. It's just like movie trailers, you don't want to give everything away in the preview. Find the right balance between sharing the necessary information and leaving your viewers hungry for more. The second tip is finding a hook in your channel trailer. The very first few seconds of your channel trailer is critical in getting viewers to stick around for the duration of the video. You want to make sure that your trailer intro is engaging with enough juicy information to get people interested in the rest of the video. You also want to use a call to action. Usually after viewers watch your channel trailer, they might just want to leave, but that's not what you want as a YouTuber. So by including a call to action in your channel trailer, you can ask your new viewers to perform one single action to keep them engaged with your brand. An example of a call to action might just be something like hit the subscribe button, or click the link below to get to this product, or click the YouTube card on this video to check out my other videos. If you're a YouTube affiliate, for example, and you're promoting a product, you want to call the attention of your viewers to the product. If you're a regular YouTuber and you want your viewers to hit that subscribe button and keep following you, you have to ask them to do that. Now, after creating your trailer video, head over to your YouTube channel and upload it on your channel to make it available to your known subscribers. After you're finished uploading your video on your channel, to finally set your trailer video for known subscribers to see, head back to your channel homepage and click on the Customize Channel button. To set your video now as your channel trailer, click on the For New Visitor tab. Next is clicking on the channel trailer button here in the center to select your new video as your channel trailer. Then click the Save button below. After doing that, your new channel trailer is ready to wow your new visitors and turn them to leads and subscribers. Again, if you are interested in making money as a YouTube affiliate marketer, make sure to check out the crash course on how to do affiliate marketing on YouTube the right way. In this crash course, you'll get a set of videos that will take you from setting and optimizing your YouTube channel to showing you the top affiliate networks anyone can join and start making money by promoting their products with videos. The crash course also involves tips on how to promote your videos for more views. Again, if you're interested, make sure to check out the link to tubemechanicsnote.com in the description box below this video. And with all that, I hope this was another helpful video. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.